What do you mean by teaching strategy? What are the types of teaching strategies? Meaning of teaching strategy. Strategies are broad methods of instruction. The word strategy is being used with reference to wars, but for the last few years, it is also being used by the social scientists in social planning, human dynamics, and teaching areas. Teaching strategy is a generalized plan for lessons which include structure, desired learner behavior in terms of goals of instructions, and an outline of planned tactics necessary to implement strategy. Teaching strategy is only a part of the comprehensive development plan. The strategy is determined before the start of teacher's teaching task. A teaching strategy is the method used to deliver information in the classroom, online, or in some other medium. The goal of teaching strategy is to facilitate learning, to motivate learners, to engage them in learning, and to help them focus. Types of teaching strategy. Autocratic teaching strategies. It is traditional and content-centered strategy. The teacher is primary in it. He functions in accordance with his will. Here, the pupil remain passive and the teacher is active. Memory level is more active in it. Examples are lecture, demonstrative, tutorial group, programmed instruction. Democratic teaching strategies. This strategy is child-centered. Such strategies stress upon the achievement of objectives of affective psychomotor domains. Interaction between the teacher and the pupil is stressed very much. Individual differences are kept in mind while selecting the strategies. Hence, importance has been given to the interests and abilities of the pupils. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more videos.